Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be discussing about how to find and see all the Roblox friends on your PS5. This makes it simple to see who's online, join their games, and play together. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and open Roblox on your PS5. Find and launch the Roblox application from your PS5 home screen. And after that, you need to go to the Friends section. Once you're in there, on the Roblox main menu, you need to select Friends, and this will open your friends list. Or you can press the PS button to go to the control center, select Game Base, and then select the Friends tab. You'll see all your friends there. Both online and offline friends will be displayed. Online friends usually have a green dot next to their game, or you can easily spot who is currently playing. Offline friends may show a gray dot. And to interact with your friends, you can select a friend to view their profile. And there will be available options like join game, send message, and send friend request if you aren't already friends. So go ahead, join game if they're online and playing a game that allows friends to join. And you can also send them a message if you want, or send a friend request if you're not yet friends on Roblox. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.